Hey there gamers! In this video I'm going to show you how to boost your strength early for free in Gothic 1 Remake. Upgrading your stats is one of the main ways to get stronger, as many weapons have stat requirements that must be met before you can equip them. Luckily, early in the game, there is a way to increase your strength for free. First things first, you need to be inside the New Camp Tavern. We have a video on the channel covering how to get inside the tavern, so please make sure to check it out. Inside the tavern, you'll find an NPC named Jeremiah. He'll give you a quest to find a farmer named Horatio who looks strong enough to stand up against the Rice Lord. Now, if you head back to the rice fields at the entrance of the new camp, you can find Horatio by following my path, as you can see here. Talk to him and tell him that you want to get stronger and teach the Rice Lord a lesson. You'll receive a permanent 5 strength boost simply by completing this conversation. This will allow you to equip stronger weapons, since many powerful early game weapons require at least 15 strength to use. And that's how to boost your strength early for free in Gothic 1 Remake. Please do drop a like and subscribe, it really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.